Hello, it's MK Uswa, Pidgin English coach. I know I've not been up for a while, no videos for a while. I've been quite busy, so I want to start bringing back more videos and more tutorials. So I want to know exactly what you want me to teach you. What have you learned so far? Where are you lacking? What do you want to learn? Is there any specific thing you want to learn about Pidgin English? Is it something you want to say that you don't know how to say? Just tell me the next video, what I should do in the next video that could really help you learn Pidgin English. And if you want to get started with Pidgin English very fast, just click on the link in the description and go get my Kindle book. That will help you move fast. And don't forget to subscribe for emails and courses. If you want one-on-one training, just contact me directly and I can work something out. Alright. See you. Just give me a comment what you want me to teach you. Alright.